Minsan ba nararamdaman mong na-drain ka lang after mo makipag-usap sa isang kaibigan? Baka kailangan mo nang i-audit ang relationships mo. Truth is, social energy is finite, limited. Di mo kailangan mag-maintain ng connections dahil lang sa history because nurture your friendships based on mutual value, not obligation. Dito papasok ang intentionality. Prioritize energizing people. Yung tipong after mong makausap, parang may dagdag na lakas ka, giving you energy. Politely decline sa mga draining dynamics. It's not harsh, it's a strategy. Try this. Trim to expand. Let go of 1 to 2 draining ties this month. Sorry na lang Invest in one connection that sparks growth. Kasama mag-business, mag-gym, o mag-problem solve. Kapag intentional tayo, nabubuo natin ang supportive network na nagbibigay ng better solutions sa life challenges. Kaya tandaan, ang tunay na relationship, hindi yan pabigat. Sila ang kasama mo. Curate your circle. Your peace is priceless.